Today we are creating this gorgeous and colorful painting. Even if you are not an artist, it's easy and relaxing to do. Also, it's very beneficial for our health and well-being. In the end, we will get this beautiful piece of art and feel a great sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Creating this design, I was inspired by the bright and multicolored peacocks I enjoyed in Cartagena, Colombia. For this project, we can use art paper or black canvas. Also, to keep our design symmetrical, we need to divide a circle into 16 equal parts. If you want to see how to do it easy and quick, please watch this video. We will need these 7 colors: true blue, tanzanite, yellow flesh, Christmas green, Indian turquoise, glorious gold, and worn penny. Optional, if you have any sparkling and shiny variations of these colors, bring them out. We will use them on top to bring some texture and shine to our dots. And for sure, we will need some black paint to clean up our messes. We need some dotting tools ranging from 15 to 1 mm in diameter. We will need some small containers with the lids and some small brushes. We start with true blue, using the largest tool number 15. True blue, tool number 3, dots around. Usually I start crisscross first and then fill in between. Ice blue, tool number 3, dots around. Glorious gold, tool number 5, dots around. Ice blue, tool number 1, 1 dot. Turquoise, tool number 8, 1 dot. Here I didn't like this dot, and it's very easy to fix. Using the brush, remove the unwanted paint as best as you can. Then paint it over with black. Let it dry and it's ready to go. Ice blue, tool number 1, dots around. Every time our painting looks flat, add some more paint on top, using the same color but a smaller sized tool. Glorious gold, tool number 1, 2 dots in between. Yellow, tool number 10, 1 dot. Christmas green, tool number 8, 1 dot. Now, using tool number 1, we are going to do a swipe from each dot. First, draw a line and then adjust it to a desired shape. It's best to do it while the paint is still wet. Add some more paint on top. Tanzanite, tool number 4, 1 dot. Tanzanite, tool number 3, taper. Worn penny, tool number 5, 1 dot. Worn penny, tool number 3, taper. Turquoise, tool number 8, 1 dot. True blue, tool number 12, 1 dot. Turquoise, tool number 5, 2 dots left and right. Turquoise, tool number 3, taper all around. Glorious gold, tool number 8, 1 dot on top. Glorious gold, tool number 6, 2 dots. Using tool number 1, we are doing a swipe on each side. It's best to do it while the paint is still wet. Add some more paint on top. Christmas green, tool number 10, 1 dot. Christmas green, tool number 8, 2 dots left and right. Christmas green, tool number 3, taper. Yellow flash, tool number 6, 1 dot. Yellow flash, tool number 5, 2 dots on each side. Yellow flash, tool number 3, taper. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. We need our optional bright and shiny paints. We use smaller sized tools and do little touch-ups on the top of each dot. It brings up the color and adds more texture, definition, and vibrancy. Now we use worn penny, tool number 3, taper. For the corners, we use blue enchanted top coat, tool number 8, 1 dot, tool number 5, 2 dots, tool number 3, 2 dots, and tool number 1, swipe it on both sides. And some final touch-ups. Now our colorful peacock painting is accomplished. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous art with me and are encouraged to create your own. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.